Okay, so this is part 5. It's our home renovation. Now we're going to be setting the Kohler shower base. So when we set these shower bases or tubs, we usually use mortar mix so we can give a strong foundation, kind of like a hard rock under the shower, so it prevents it from cracking over time. Without mortar or a strong base, your tub or shower will crack, especially for fiberglass shower, which most showers are made of nowadays. So what we do is, first we set our shower down so we can make sure which side needs more mortar than the other, so we know where to put the most of it on each side. So here we're just spreading it out. We set it down, and then after we level it out to make sure we got the right pitch on all 4 sides. After setting it down, we screw it down to the studs. We usually use shims on the ones that are touching, and we use stainless steel self-tapping screws. We usually pre-drill it first to prevent it from cracking, and afterwards we cut the shims flush with the shower base rim. As you can see, we're cutting it flush. So we use a no caulk shower drain. So how this works is basically a metal ring that screws down and compresses a gasket in between the pipe that makes a leak tight seal. But thank you for tuning in. Have a good one.